Greetings, Mark Brown here. As you can see, we have an Excel sheet right here. We have words, we have number. What we're going to do, we're going to combine both the numbers and the words in one cell. Yes, that's exactly what we want to do. So if and when you get something like this, you have an idea of what to do. First, we're going to put equal. You notice all this have to go in place. Now you're going to come to your left. You notice where it's a week. I'm going to click that right there. So if you notice, it's A3. So the next thing we wanted to do is to put the and sign right there. If you notice, you see the and sign right there. Alright, then the next thing that we're going to put a double quote right there. So the space bar. Then we're going to put another quote right there. Right, if you notice, we have two quotes right there. Just like that. Now we want to put another and right there. Then we're going to click right here in B. You notice, right? If you notice in my formula bar, this is what you see. And then you're going to press and enter. Now you're going to press and enter. If you notice, both of them is in the same cell. Just like that. But if you want to add a dollar sign, you can just come right up here. And just click in between the formula bar. And then you're going to put the dollar sign inside of it. And when you finish, you press back enter. You notice the dollar sign right there. But if you want to get everything from down to the line, you just click back up here, put the cursor right, you notice become a plus. So you're going to hold on the left side of the mouse or the touchpad, you're going to drag it down, like with a copy of normal formula, you notice everything actually in one cell right here. So this is how we actually combine words and number in one cell right here in Excel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.